Hey everyone, enjoy the show. It's Jeff from Mantiques. How are you doing today? Jaime and I are just laughing our butts off at Naked and Afraid. What we have here is a lot of vintage license plates. There's about 11, let's call it 12 baker's dozen. So we're selling them as a lot, as is. Take a good look at them. And this is coming off my new iPhone 12 with the amazing camera. So no lighting, no issues here. So if you are looking for plates for your collection, or you got that ride that just has to have this, these are for you.
These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.